this 5-day is, and you see 5 days starting to trend down together with the magenta algorithm. So pay close attention right there with the magenta and the green. If this wants to head up, you will see liquidity grab it here off that 642 yellow level. Now, you do notice that we have already closed the cup with that 20-day moving average. So if this wants to head up, you understand that it is trying to soak up sellers from that 20-day moving average. So you can always wait for structure to start forming. By then, it will be much clearer. So first confirmation, wait for the 20-day moving average. Second confirmation, you wait for the 5-day retest. And that will be from that magenta algorithm right there together with the green. So you have to wait for these confirmations, especially when grabbing the liquidity of that 642 yellow. And thereafter, one more, if we close the cup near 646 level, and by then you will see 5-day already turning into some sort of support. You will see the liquidity being grabbed more clearly off here if this wants to continue heading up, grabbing the top liquidity right there before the dump happened. So pay close attention. Several confirmations you can wait out for, so just be more patient and mindful here. Now likewise for going down, if we grab this liquidity early, that's fine. Just wait for cups to close. You see how the cup can close here, that 630 level. Important how you identify liquidity in this case, where the 5 and 20 used to converge. Plenty of liquidity here, so just pay close attention to this two yellows, 626, 630 level here, and by then you can wait for more structure. You will see the selling continuation happen. If this sells directly through that orange, you will see clearer structure forming before it starts heading down there. So pay close attention to all these levels. If we get there, you probably already see 5-day and 20-day already crossing, and that's when you have to pay close attention to the bottom Bollinger, because take a look, it's at 630 now, and you will want to see this continue trending down if there is more downside. So you see, identifying the liquidity is absolutely important. You know where you are targeting, you know where the next steps are, you know where to wait for confirmation before you prepare for the next step, but you're always prepared ahead, and you understand that the big moves can come, and you don't need the big moves every single day. I've shown you that even the small moves, you can get very, very big rewards as long as you know what you're doing. So thank you very much for watching. See you closer to opening bell.